At the High Court of Justiciary in Edinburgh on Monday, 2nd June 1862, Mary Struth appeared before James Crawford, Lord Ardmillan, and Charles Neaves, Lord Neaves, charged with murder or attempted murder of her father, John Struth, in Silver Street in Kincardine, with whom she lived with her son. It was claimed she had poisoned him with salt of sorrel, sugar of lead, or other poisons at various times between December 1861 and January 1862. She pleaded not guilty. The prosecution case was led by Edward Maitland, Lord Barcapple, the Solicitor General for Scotland, and Mr. Ivory, while she was defended by Mr. W.A. Brown and Mr. Balfour. On 17th January 1862, Mary had appeared before Sheriff Substitute John Graham at Dunblane. He went to Kincardine on 25th January to take Struth's statement at a house in John Street, which belonged to Janet Black or Strang. However, he was unable to make one as he couldn't speak. The reason Graham had left it so long was that he was told the man would recover, but he never did. At court, 31-year-old Mary Struth, through her solicitor, stated that she was a native of Kincardine and that her father was a sailor. She worked as a labourer when she could find work. She insisted she never gave her father salt of sorrel or sugar of lead or any other substances that would cause him any harm. She did admit to purchasing a pennyworth of salt of sorrel to clean a stain on a sheet on her father's bed and to kill vermin in the house. The salt of sorrel was put in a cup on top of a chest of drawers, but she claimed she never knew it was poisonous. As for the sugar of lead, she had once asked a neighbour, Jane Drysdale, to purchase it for a sore eye and breast, and said that she had not personally bought it, as she was dirty at the time. She said she gave her father salts and saltpetre, but nothing else. Elizabeth Maxwell, a farm servant and lodger with the Struths, and a neighbour, Elizabeth Scotland, both told the court that Mary seemed to be very kind to her father. Dr. William Forrest, who carried out the post-mortem on Mr. Struth, told the court Struth's symptoms were consistent with those caused by salt of sorrel. Dr. Douglas McLagan carried out a chemical examination and agreed that salt of sorrel may have played a part in his death. The jury retired for 20 minutes and returned their verdict of not proven, a verdict that is unique to Scotland. If you enjoyed this episode of Scotland's History, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.